You're watching Mining Headlines of the Week. Hello and welcome. AngloGold Ashanti is set to acquire Centamin in a $2.5 billion deal combining stock and cash. Centamin, a London-listed gold producer focused on Egypt, is known for its Sukari mine. That's Egypt's largest and first modern gold operation. Now, the acquisition will make AngloGold the world's fourth largest gold producer. Integrating Sukari to its portfolio will see a boost to AngloGold's annual production by 450,000 ounces, bringing its total to 3.1 million ounces. Centamin shareholders will receive shares in AngloGold and cash, with a 37% premium on Centamin's recent closing price. Well, to this now, copper output from Chile's state miner Codelco, the world's top producer of the metal, fell by 10.7% in July compared to last year. Well, that's according to the country's copper commission, Codelco. Codelco produced 111,400 metric tons of copper, marking a continued decline in production. The company has been struggling to boost output, which hit a 25-year low last year. CEO Ruben Alvarado recently said August production will rise to over 115,000 tons, an increase from last year. He added that production is expected to improve in the second half of 2024. Codelco plans to spend $5 billion in capital expenditures next year. BHP expects Brazil to become one of the top three markets for its Jansen potash project in Canada. Potash is a key nutrient for food production, and Brazil imports most of its fertilizer. BHP Brazil head Carla Wilson highlighted the importance of the country during a mining conference. The first phase of BHP's Jansen potash project will start in 2026. Producing 4.2 million metric tons annually. The project has received $5.7 billion in investment so far. The abandoned Minto copper gold mine in Yukon may see new life under indigenous ownership. The Selkirk First Nation has received Supreme Court approval to purchase the mine's facilities and equipment. Now, this could mark one of the first indigenous-owned mines in Canada. Court-appointed receiver PwC has managed the mine for over a year. The cost of the acquisition hasn't been disclosed, and both parties have declined to comment. If the sale proceeds, experts say it would be a historic step for Indigenous participation in the mining industry. Platinum mining output has dropped to its third lowest level this century, struggling to meet rising demand. The World Platinum Investment Council forecasts a 1 million ounce deficit this year, up from 731,000 ounces in 2023. Supply is expected to fall by 1%, while demand is set to rise 3%, the largest increase in 5 years. As electric vehicle demand slumps, there's demand for platinum in the traditional car market using catalytic converters. Demand is also being driven by ETFs and metal sales in China and is expected to surge by 15%. Jewelry demand will increase by 7%. And that's where we leave it for this week. Bye-bye.